Hello my dear guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Hamidul Islam in front of you. I hope that everyone fit and fine. I am also fine. But today I am very glad because of that I am showing you a surprising object. Can you see in front of me? This is the B box and I am trying to explain this B box. Okay, let's get started. Uh, Okay, my dear guys, if you can see, this is B box, and I will explain this B box. Obviously, you can see here is a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6 B. It's called frame also, and I am showing you. Okay. Uh, mm, Maybe you can see this is B box and also it has a lots of B. Oh my god. Uh, Obviously you can see, and here is some honey, and you don't see, maybe please brother, you can hear you capturing this one. That's mean, oh, that's great. That's mean here is a lots of it's called I also forget. uh, okay, I will explain another time this one. Also here is a three types B. One is queen, lever. uh, where is queen? I am searching queen, but I right now I can't see uh, after sometimes. Okay. I My dear guys, I am checking this box. What's the problem here? It's my old professions also. Uh, I can't see queen. Where is queen? But oh, this is a new, also new frame. That's why here is blank. Uh, but unfortunately, I can't see queen. What is the matter? But here has a must on one queen, but I can't see. Oh, this is new frame. Mm. I can't see. Hello my dear guys, that means I wanna tell you, brother, if you need honey, pure honey, you can communication with me. I will try. That means if you need honey, then you will contact with me, because I have lots of honey also. If you need, actually, my dear guys, I unfortunately I can't find out queen, but here has must has a queen, but I can't see. If you cultivate this bee, yeah, you can try, because of that we know that honey is very helpful for our health, and it's a very actually this honey is very important, we know that, and also helpful. If you daily use also. If you daily eat honey, then you can understand what is the benefit of honey. Okay, my dear guys, I today I am that's enough. I don't want to prolong my video, but till that time, it remain very fine. Thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz.